Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Toyota Sienna LE, and as you can see with this key fob here, you can operate either of the power sliding doors. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door. Very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this brand new conversion using just 2 fingers. He's got these clamps down here. They keep these ramps from rattling. This is the best design in the business. It's much better design than those twists or those slides. They're going to start to rattle on you. Has a handle on the driver or passenger side. And as you can see there, I can take it down using only my index finger. Very easy to do. 36-inch wide ramp, which is 6 inches wider than most of the side entries. It does taper down to 34 here where the ramp sets at the base, but your armrest can be about as wide as you want. Does have the 8 tie-down points to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. Very clean on the inside. Those middle row seats have about 25.5 inches of room between them. Most wheelchairs will fit up between those. If they won't fit all the way between, the passenger's legs can sit in between them. We can always remove one seat to make more room. Just let us know the configuration you need. We can help make the van accommodate your needs. Has the rear air controls, headliner's in great shape, the dash is in good condition. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. The backup camera, dual climate control. Rear air can be controlled up here as well. Plenty of cup holders, that real nice center console there. Cup holders for your passengers in the rear. And then also, if you decide you want to shut these doors, you can operate the power doors here. You see it shuts. And then if you decide, maybe you're going to use this for a taxi cab, and a lot of people are going to be getting in and out of it, do the power doors there. That makes them manual. Now they slide shut like a manual door, so they can be, with touch of a button, they can go from power to manual. When you got everybody loaded up and ready to go, and we do give a free set of pull-tight Q-string tie-downs away with each van, you can see, put up with just our index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. Shut her all back down, and you're ready for a road trip. The exterior of this van extremely clean. This is according to AutoCheck, 1 owner, no accident, clean title, and miles are actual. Has the alloy wheels, high dollar Michelin tires on there. Those are about 7/32. So darn near brand new tires on here. Tinted windows, like I said. Roof rack. It's got that chrome strip down the side. Just a super clean van. These are the kind of vans I'm looking for when I buy. I'm looking for, clean titles. I like no accidents. I like ones that have been well maintained. And I always say, it doesn't matter how much Armor All or cleaning solution you put on a vehicle, you cannot hide a vehicle that's been abused or hasn't been taken care of. I can tell whoever owned this van took great care of it. I bet you money it was garaged. It looks so clean. These seats in here in the back are brand new. The carpet's all brand new back here with the conversion. And we always show the VIN number, so you know that we're selling the van we say we're selling. There's a lot of people out there doing some crazy, shady things. So, power seat works great. Got the high dollar, nice rubber floor mats. And I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Super clean all around. And you can see super low miles. 16,736 miles. When I go to turn it on, fires that first time every time. No check engine lights, no ABS, no airbag, no dummy lights. Like I said, it's got the backup camera. Currently has a full tank of gas. Now, being the winter time, we have to start these up a couple times a week, let them run a little bit, test drive. So if you buy it right away, of course, it's going to come with a full tank of gas, but I can't promise it's going to be full when you get it if you wait a while. So power windows all work, power locks, and that's why I make these videos. The number one mistake people make when buying vehicles, they assume things. They assume because it's only got 16,000 miles on it. They assume because it looks nice in the pictures. They assume because a salesman was nice to them. They assume all these things work, and nothing can be further from the truth. So let me pop the hood here so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, got Toyota V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage. Everything looks straight. No signs of any accidents. No signs of any leaks. No signs of any rust. No rust like it got pulled off the bottom of a river or out of a flood. And we inspect these very thorough before we buy them. And you'll notice our competition, they rarely, if ever, show you the undercarriage of the vehicle. And there's a reason behind that. They buy a lot of these from Chicago and New York, and they buy them for a lot cheaper because nobody wants them. They slap a conversion on it. They throw a couple pictures online. They find trusting senior citizens or families in need, and they sell them a van. They don't tell them that the frame's all rusted out. They don't tell them that it can be dangerous for their family to drive. They don't tell them that it might not pass inspection in their state. You know, if you can't get past inspection in your state, you can't drive it. You just bought a paperweight. So, like I said, people get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Don't assume things. If someone's going to sell you a high dollar van, tell them to get off their behind, get out here and make a detailed video like this, or get it inspected somewhere. We welcome inspections, and if they won't do those things, who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? So let me get this van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive, get them out, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy. Accelerates up to 70-ish miles an hour, no problems. Steering wheel's nice and straight. I've got the cruise control set. This van runs and drives real nice down the highway. Drives like one of our brand new Toyotas. So, wonderful van. And I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind, we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Our Google ratings, last I checked, were 4.8 out of 5 stars. We have over 600 transactions on eBay. Everyone has left us positive reviews. That's 600 people that said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. So when you compare us to the competition, there's really no competition as far as us being transparent. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. Then they have a $500 or $1,000 or $1,500 in document fees, tag fees, administrative fees, freight. They make up all this stuff. They put a nice price online to get you to call. And then when the deal's about done, they tell you about what's the fine print at the bottom of the listing, you know. Now my question to you is, if someone's going to hide money from you over a bunch of made up fees, what else are they hiding from you? Are they not going to tell you about an accident? Are they not going to tell you about some issues with the van? Nice hard brake, by the way. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noises. So my point is, like I've mentioned before, there's a lot of shysters out there, unfortunately, taking advantage of families in need and senior citizens. Don't fall prey to those people. You know, do business with a dealership that's a reputable dealership with a great reputation that doesn't have any hidden fees. You know, if you do buy from a private individual, not always the worst thing in the world, but you have no idea who you're buying from. You have no idea if they're being honest with you. Just a whole bunch of bad things can happen buying from a private individual. So just be aware. I don't want to see anybody get taken advantage of. And, you know, when you do call the competition, you're going to talk to a used car salesperson most likely. You know, they're probably not going to be working there in 2 or 3 months. They're going to be out chasing that commission check at another dealership. They don't really care if you get the truth. They don't really care if you get a good deal. All they care about is that commission check. Well, me, I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. I want you repeat business. I want you telling your neighbors. I want you telling your family about affordable mobility solutions, how they treated you right, how they treated you fair, how they were honest with you. So if you want to do business with a used car salesman, give the competition a call. If you want to talk to the owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Now, if you're more of a text messenger, if that's up your alley, give me a text. 316-518-4377. That is my personal cell phone. You now have the owner's personal cell phone number. I want you to talk to the competition, especially those big companies. I want you to ask them, are they committed enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number if there's ever a problem? Let me know how that works for you. Also, this van still falls under the specs for the 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. The brand new conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty. Now, the competition is going to try and tell you that their conversion is better than ours. That's fine. Ask them what their warranty is. When they tell you it's a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, ask them if their conversion is so much better, why is ours unlimited miles and theirs stops at 36,000 miles? So, good question. I'd be curious to see what they say about that. Check out our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. It's mobility316.com. We do have financing available. We can take an application over the phone. We can send one to your phone, or we can send one over to your email. So let us know how we can help. And as always, thanks for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.